Good day, viewers. Today we are going to be looking at this set of questions on the board. Please, if you are watching us via YouTube, we are begging that you please support us by subscribing to our channel. You can subscribe by simply clicking on the subscribe button below. Thank you. Now for number 1, it says PQRSTN is a regular polygon of side 7 cm inscribed in a circle. Find the circumference of a circle. Now this is the grammatic representation of what we have here. Okay. Now by formula, we know that circumference of circle C is given by what? 2 pi r. Now this polygon is 6-sided. To obtain the value of each interior angle, remember this, we said it's a regular polygon. So the value of each exterior angle is what? Is given by what? The sum of the interior angles n minus 2 times 180, right, over what? 6. Is that not? And our n is what? Our n is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 times 180 will give us what? 720. So you have 720 divided by 6, and we end up with what? 120 degrees. So each of these angles is 120 degrees. Now, when we connect the opposite vertices of the hexagon, right, we find out that what? They will both be at the center of the hexagon, which is the center of the circle. All right. Now, you also observe that this line that connects the two opposite vertices divides each of the angle into two equal angles, right? So here will be what? 60. Here is what? 60, right? And by virtue of some of interior angles in the triangle, because this is a triangle, if you take this triangle now, here too will be what? 60 degrees. Meaning that what? We have 6 equilateral triangles. Okay? Equilateral triangles. And given this side to be 7 from the question, 7 centimeter, it means here to be what? 7 centimeter. And from here to here happens to be what? The radius of the circle. Right? Hence our circumference will be what now? 2 times pi is given by 22 over 7 times our r is 7. 7 cancel out 7. You have what? 44 centimeter as the circumference. And that is given by option what? C. Option C gives the correct answer to this question. Now we'll move to number 2. Now for number 2, it says, from this diagram, we should obtain the bearing of R from S. This is the diagram. Okay. What I will do here, I will just establish my cardinal point on point X, like this. Right. This is my cardinal point. This is the north pole. Right. If you observe, this pole and this north-south pole of R of S and R, they are parallel lines. All right. So the bearing of R from S is given by what? We measure from the north of S to the line that connects the two positions, right? So from here to here, we know it's what? 180 degrees. So we need this extended angle. Let's call it what? Theta. Okay. Now by the virtue of angles on lines, this north-south pole of R and S, they are parallel lines, and this is the transversal. Okay. Hence, we say theta and 44, they are related, right? Because they are alternate. So theta equals what? 44 degrees. Why? They are alternate angles. Is that not? So therefore, bearing of R from S is given by what? Bearing is given by what? 180 plus theta. 180 degrees plus what? Theta. And that will be what? 180 degrees plus 44 degrees. That's given by 224 degrees. This is given by what? Option B. Option B gives the correct answer to number 2. Now for number 3, it says, what is the probability that an integer x in this set of values chosen at random is divisible by 3? Sorry, is divisible by 2 and 3. That is the right question. The correct question, sorry, 2 and 3. Divisible by 2 and 3. First of all, we know the probability of an event. Probability of an event, this is number 3 now, is given by what? The number of the event over the what? The sample space. Right? What is the event here now? Numbers divisible by 2 and 3. Now the sample space is from 1 to 20. So what are the numbers that are divisible by 2 and 3? So we get the common multiples of 2 and 3. And that will be what? We have 6. 6 is the common multiple of 2 and 3. We have 12 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. We have 18 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. Okay. in this set of values. So they are what? 3. Therefore, the probability of the event is given by what now? 3 over the sample space, which is what? 20. Can we break this down? No. And that is given by option what? C. So option C gives the probability that an event chosen at random is divisible by 2 and 3. That is all we have for you for this lesson. Thank you for listening. God bless you.